Welcome to another video from our home lab deployment series. In this video we will use free NAS to build a virtual storage appliance. Free NAS is available for download and it's free. Free NAS is an open source storage platform based on FreeBSD and supports sharing across Windows, Apple, and Unix-like systems. There are services like FTP, NFS, ISCSI which can be used to configure share or LUN. It also has RAID support which can help to learn different types of storage pool. We are going to explore some of the feature of free NAS in this video and how to integrate it with vSphere environment to store data. Example, we can configure a NFS share in free NAS and use it as NFS data store in vSphere. We can use ISCSI service to create LUN which can be configured using ESXi software storage adapter. We are in the VMware workstation and configuring the setting required to build our free NAS. Once the VM is powered on, it will detect the ISO and prepare the installation. Select Install/Upgrade, since it is a new deployment. Click Yes. Use spacebar to select the virtual drive we have configured while creating the VM and click OK. Click Yes for the disclaimer that the data on the virtual drive will be erased. And set the root password for the free NAS. This will be the account which will be used for initial login. Select BIOS as default and proceed to the next step. This will begin the installation. We will resume once the installation is complete. The installation is complete and we need to remove the media. Go to VM setting. Select DVD device. Select the bullet button Use physical drive. In addition you can uncheck Connected. Connected at power on. There will be a pop-up box stating the media is in use. Click OK. Then select Reboot System option. Once you select Reboot System, you might see the system went in some kind of loop. To break the loop that occurred, we will go back to VM setting and shut down the VM. The loop happened due to the boot device order. To fix it, we will right-click the VM and go to Power On, and select Power On to Firmware. This will launch the BIOS menu of the VM. In the BIOS menu, navigate to Boot tab to change the order. There are many settings in BIOS, be careful while making changes. Use the plus or minus key to change the boot order. We will make hard drive as first boot and save the settings by clicking function 10 key. The VM will now try to boot from the hard drive which is our first boot device. The system will complete the pending task upon first boot. This will take a few minutes to complete. We will allow the system to come up. Meanwhile we can check the network configuration of the VM and make changes if needed. The free NAS is up now and we are in the menu which will populate the IP if assignment is set to automatic. We can configure a static IP by selecting the correct option from the menu. Best practice is to set a static IP in production. In lab environment we can use DHCP IP, however for demonstration purpose we will configure a static IP. Once we complete the static IP configuration, it will restart the network services for the change to take effect. We have completed setup of our free NAS and its initial network configuration. We can use the IP address show on the console to open the URL in a browser. The user is root and password is set during our initial installation. We have a dashboard view of our free NAS. Let's configure the time zone. This is a nice free-to-use storage platform. Thank you for watching. Up next we will see how we can provision storage for our vSphere environment.